Shopzpresso review. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Marketing, and welcome to my channel where I show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing with honest reviews, tips and training every week. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. So I'm going to be reviewing Shopzpresso, and the reason for the review is that it's having a relaunch on the 3rd of February 2021 at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time, and it ends on the 8th of February at midnight Eastern Standard Time, and the launch price is $19, but they do say it's also on a dime sale. Now in this review we'll have a quick look at the sales page, but then we're going to jump into the dashboard and actually have a look at the product. I'm going to give you the pros and the cons of the product and whether you should be buying it. Then we'll come back to the sales page and we will compare it with the 3 other platforms that this says it compares to. So the first part, we'll just have a quick look at the headline, and it says launch your own 3-in-1 online mega store that sells physical and digital products and get thousands of free buyers every day, earn from home without going out and replace your job. So it actually says it sells physical, digital and software. It's a one mega store to sell everything, if that's what you want to do, a one-click import from thousands of products and get free traffic from affiliates, $100 to $500 per day income potential, newbie friendly, fully tested, no tech skills needed, no staff needed, and every internet marketer needs it. Some of that could be true, some of it not. So let's dig in. So this is the dashboard. It's nice and clean and looks very simple to use, which I actually like. Now, I haven't actually seen any training for this. There was a link for it, but it's not going anywhere. So I haven't actually seen any training about the product or the dashboard. I have seen demo videos and I've watched it and have worked through this. So when it says about 3 products that you can sell 3-in-1, it is here where it says add new products. You can add physical, digital and license. So license is where you put the software, because people need licensing number. Now software can be plugins and things like that, and digital can be ebooks, it can be fonts, it can be graphics or anything like that, and physical can be, like it shows, a t-shirt or a mug. So let's click in one of these. And here you enter your product name, and then you would enter a product SKU, which is basically a reference number, and you would probably use your drop shipping or wholesale reference there, so you actually knew what it was and you could look it up. And then here's the different categories. Now you can actually go and change the categories here where it says manage categories. You can add more, you can also add subcategories and child categories, which is quite good. But when you come to the featured image, the problem here is it doesn't actually tell you the size. Now, most of these platforms actually tell you the recommended size for your images to put them on so that they're uniformed and you're not getting a pixelated image. You can also set it up for a gallery, and you can add in allowed estimated shipping time, product size and product colors. And then there is cross-selling products. Now, what cross-selling products is if you're in the store and you add something to cart, it usually says something like, our other customers purchased this, you might like to add this to it. So it's sort of like a bump order or an upsell. So if we're going to have a look in the store, this is what the store looks like. It looks nice and easy. It's a mega store. It's selling absolutely everything. And then if you click here or you click add to cart, it actually brings up this here where it says cross-selling, so it's you might also like. So that is what it means by cross-selling. And then you can put the actual current price and you could put a previous price, and this is where it would be where it's crossed out because it's showing a sale. And product stock is leave empty if the stock's always available. Now that is probably with digital programs or with software, but not with physical. Now my issue here is, how do you integrate with your drop shipping or your wholesale company or your print on demand company? I have not seen anything that allows me to integrate, so I wouldn't know if the product stock is available without physically going in and checking on the other platform. And if I wanted to order things, it doesn't all sync. I have to then go again to that platform to order everything. Everybody wants things that sync in, and that is why people pay extra or pay premium for the other platforms. Then again, you can put product description in, product buy and return. You can put your video YouTube URL in there as well. It doesn't link with any other video platforms, so you might not be able to use that. And then tags is what you put in for people to actually search. So there's also the affiliate program, and it mentioned this on the sales page, where you could actually get affiliates to actually come and sell your products for you for a commission. But how do you go about getting those affiliates? Now, lots of affiliates go to specific platforms because they know that there's an affiliate program there for them, and they know that they can get between 50 and 75%, and in some cases 100% commission on driving traffic to certain products. So if you are new to this, you wouldn't know where to go and get affiliates from. And I'm involved in a Facebook group for moms in business, and in that group often the question is, where do I go to get affiliates? And I recommend they go to certain programs for different products and grow their list and actually get some of their customers to be affiliates. But you need to know what you're doing. So that question comes up a lot. Now here you can see your customers list, what has happened with your withdrawals, your transactions, and then there is a vendors list here as well. So here's where you can set up your cross-selling relationships as well. So you've got where you add your subcategories, your child categories, select the type, so category, and then from here you can do fashion and beauty, and from here you can do a subcategory, and here you can actually add in all the different replacements. And then you can do a bulk product upload. Now this is your CSV file that you get from your wholesaler or your drop shipper. Now again, I don't know if you can do print on demand here. And you can also set coupons, which is quite a good idea. So you can give people different coupons to purchase their products. So if they sign up to your email list, you might give them a specific coupon, or you might set it for a specific date or a holiday. So if it's over the Christmas period or July the 4th or Black Friday or something like that, you might choose something like that, by a discount by percentage or a discount by amount, and you would enter the code there that you give them. There's also blogging features. So one of the ways of getting people to come to your shop is usually when they're searching for things, usually have some sort of blog, and I know a lot of Shopify stores have blogs as well. So there's also messages. So these are if anybody has ordered something and wants to check back, you want to add a ticket to it, so you can send them a message to say your order's been shipped. Any disputes here, so you can be handling anything here where if somebody hasn't received their goods and is asking where it is, so you would do that there. And then general settings where you set your own logo, your own favicon, your loading, your shipping method, your pickup location, any of your website information here. So you would put that all here, so your logo, your day job pillar thing there. And does it have anywhere for you to do? Yes, and there's privacy policies, terms and conditions, and contact us. So for $19, it is not bad. So you can be doing all that. And payment settings, it has got a number of payment gateways, so you can add new ones here. Here we go. So there's Stripe, PayPal, Instamojo, Paystack, Paytm. There's also the Sandbox, which is quite good, Razorpay, guest checkout, currency format, so you can actually say your prices and everything like that. So you can also fix commissions and percentage. So you're in charge of that. Then there's the social settings where you can link, you can have it with Facebook login, Google login, and social links, but you need to set that up beforehand before you start using it. And then you can have a different number of staff working. You can have any amount of staff, I think, and you can manage roles as well. Now, there are a few things that concerns me on this. There's no integration with dropshippers or wholesalers or print on demand, and there's nothing about tax either. There's no way that you can integrate for your tax, understanding about in the UK we have VAT, in Europe there's a 20% tax on any digital products. How do you go about collecting any of that? So that is why people use a lot of platforms, because either they integrate with some sort of tax app or accountancy app, or they actually deal with it for you. Hence the reason people go there. And they also go there because a lot of customers go there as well. They already know about the product or where it is, and affiliates know where it is as well. So email settings as well is also done with SMTP, which you have to pay for, and you can, I think there's send mail as well, which you could sign up for. But if you are using Aweber or GetResponse, you cannot integrate that with this store. So let's go back to the sales page. So on the sales page, it tells you step 1, create your Shopzpresso account. Step 2, import or add products in one click. Now that is probably in the training showing you where to go and get it, and I suspect it's probably from AliExpress and where you actually get the information from. Step 3, there is no step 3, enjoy the profit. You've still got to get people to actually come to the store and actually purchase it. People need to know the store exists. So you need to be doing some sort of marketing for it. So whether you're using social media or you're using paid ads, you've still got to get people. Now, then it says here showing you these money. Now, these payment things are from Warrior Plus, which is a payment gateway. It's a platform to sell digital products and software. So why is he showing these for a product that's supposed to be doing this? Now, I'd be more impressed if he was showing these figures coming from his own Shopzpresso dashboard and actually showing him selling this product on his own shop dashboard. That would be fantastic. Now, what he says also is that it's how does it compare to the other products, platform products like Shopify? Now, you need to pay between $29 and $199 per month to create your Shopify megastore, which is true. But there's a lot of reason why people stick with Shopify. Then Envato is where people sell things like software on Code Canyon. They sell their graphics on Graphic Video, and yes, they charge you fees to actually sell them with them, but they have a huge audience there. And then there's Clickbank, and other digital networks take anything from 5% to 15% of your sales, and also you've got to pay, say, a admin fee for them to actually approve your product. Like Clickbank, it's $49. So I understand where he's getting you there, but all of these places are well known. They update their products and they have different things. So in Shopify, as you can see, it is $29 per month, but it gets updated. And you can also put your domain. Yes, it's a .com domain with it, but you can actually have your domain with your Shopify store. You can have unlimited products. Yes, you only get 2 people that are doing it, but if you're setting it up yourself, you probably don't want 2 people. And you can also add app integration. So these are all the different apps that integrate with it. A lot of these are with wholesalers, drop shippers, like it says here, drop shipping AliExpress. Also, it also integrates with finances. So there's different finance apps like with Xero, QuickBooks, with different taxations like TaxJar and things like that. It integrates with. And it also comes with free training on how to actually get started building a revolutionary company and all different things like that. And there's plenty of YouTube videos showing you how to actually start a Shopify store. So Envato is another platform that it mentioned, and Envato is the one that has Code Canyon, video scripts, music. People come straight to the platforms. Like if I want any graphics or anything like that, I go to either Design Bundle, Designer Cuts, or Hungry JPEG, or Creative Fabrica, Or I come to Code Canyon if I want a specific script. And if I have a look at Code Canyon now, I put in e-commerce shop, and as you can see, there are a load here and starting at quite a cheap price. Some are $15 going up, some have got a lot of sales, like this one here, 432, last updated on the 16th of January 23, and you can usually buy a update support system that comes with it. So it's very simple to get these. So let's go back, and I want to actually talk to you about the funnel. This is the funnel, and there's 6 OTOs. The front end is $19, and then it goes to the unlimited, which is $39. Now I believe the store that I am showing you here is the unlimited store with everything in it. I don't believe it is the $19 one. So if we go back here, there's also done for you for $197. So this is where they'll upload all the different products, maybe linking in from their wholesalers or their drop shipping links. And then there's done for you traffic for $57. I don't know where this traffic is coming from. Endless profits, I don't even know what that means, and there's no information about that either, and that's $67. Then a reseller for $197. So you can resell Shopzpresso and all the funnel, and you get 100% of the commissions for all of that. And then white label is $997. So you're actually buying the white label of the software, putting your own name to it, and can launch it and sell it. Now you can go to Code Canyon and different places like that and actually get people to create it for you for a lot less than $997. Now if you bought everything in this funnel, it would cost you $1,573 to buy all of this. And Shopify is $29 a month, and it gets updated frequently. There's lots of apps that are free to use in it. There's also Groovecart, which is free to use, and lots of apps in that. And then Envato is actually where customers go looking for specific things, and it's got a huge customer base, and everything is there for you. And a lot of people use these platforms for taxation purposes. Now I know for a fact that Clickbank deals with all the payments and all the tax issues, because in the US there is loads of states that have different tax rules. You've got Europe that's got different tax rules, you've got the UK that's got different tax rules, and Clickbank deals with all of that. And that is why people actually pay $29 a month to Shopify, why people actually give up a percentage of their sales with Envato or with Etsy, and why people actually pay $49 and give up a percentage of their sales to Clickbank, because they deal with all the tax. Now the biggest con for me in all of this is the vendor of this product isn't using it himself to sell his product on it. He's used Warrior Plus and he's used Pay Kickstart to actually sell this product. Surely, if he says it's as good as he says it is, why isn't he selling this product on it? And that is my key concern with it. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10 because you can get it up and running. I personally, if I was going to use it, would use it to sell digital products. I wouldn't bother with physical products because there's no integration with any of the wholesalers or drop shippers. I don't know where that information is coming from. There is no training from it. Whereas digital products, you are in control of that, and there's no issues with posting and shipping and even bringing it into countries. So customs, there's no custom information either with any of these physical products. So that's the reason why I'm giving it a 5 out of 10. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to be notified about any other videos I make. And I will be making a video on affiliate marketing in 2021.